Today, we are going to explore 10 incredible SaaS, that is software as a service ideas that have the potential to disrupt industries and pave the way for your entrepreneurial success. Before we dive into the exciting SaaS ideas, let's quickly refresh our understanding of what SaaS is. SaaS, or software as a service, is a cloud-based software distribution model that allows users to access and use applications over the internet on a subscription basis. This model has transformed the way businesses and individuals interact with software. The beauty of SaaS lies in its flexibility, scalability, and cost effectiveness. By leveraging the power of cloud, SaaS enables businesses to access cutting-edge software solutions without the need for expensive infrastructure or complex installations. It also offers continuous updates and improvements, ensuring that users always have access to the latest features and functionalities. Now let's dive into our 10 exciting SaaS ideas that can propel you on the path to success. Remember, these ideas are meant to inspire your creativity, so feel free to add your unique twists and expertise to them. SaaS idea number 1 is data security SaaS. In a world where data breaches and cyber threats are on the rise, businesses need robust data security solutions. This SaaS platform provides comprehensive data security features such as encryption, access controls, and threat monitoring to safeguard sensitive information and protect businesses from cyber attacks. For business owners using a data security SaaS, it can be a game changer for their organization. It provides peace of mind knowing that their data is protected and they can focus on the core business without worrying about security breaches. Moving on to SaaS idea number 2, which is AI-powered chatbot SaaS. Customer service plays a crucial role in business success, but managing customer inquiries can be overwhelming. This SaaS platform leverages artificial intelligence to create intelligent chatbot SaaS for businesses, automating tasks like answering FAQs and processing inquiries while delivering personalized and efficient customer experience. For customer service representatives, an AI-powered chatbot can transform their customer service operations. It not only handles routine inquiries but also provides accurate and timely responses. This allows them to focus on more complex customer needs, resulting in improved satisfaction. Next up, we have SaaS idea number 3, which is smart inventory management SaaS. Efficient inventory management is crucial for businesses to minimize waste and optimize operations. This SaaS platform utilizes real-time data and analytics to help businesses track inventory, streamline procurement processes, and ensure optimal stock levels, ultimately saving time and reducing costs. For business owners, implementing smart inventory management can be a game changer for their supply chain operations. It helps them identify trends, optimize stock levels, and reduce inventory holding costs. The real-time visibility it provides allows them to make data-driven decisions, enhancing their overall efficiency. Now let's explore SaaS idea number 4, which is an event ticketing SaaS. Event management can be complex, particularly when it comes to ticketing. This SaaS platform simplifies the ticketing process for event organizers, offering features like online ticket sales, seat selection, and even promotion tools, making it easier for them to manage ticket sales, maximize attendance, and deliver a seamless event experience. For event organizers, using the event ticketing SaaS can revolutionize their ticketing process. It offers a user-friendly interface for attendees to purchase tickets online, and it simplifies their operations by providing real-time data, allowing them to track sales, analyze attendee data, and manage entry seamlessly. Moving on to SaaS idea number 5, which is intelligent marketing automation SaaS. In today's competitive landscape, businesses need to optimize their marketing efforts to stay ahead. This SaaS platform combines marketing automation tools with artificial intelligence capabilities, enabling businesses to streamline their marketing campaigns, segment audiences, deliver personalized content, and and drive customer engagement across multiple channels. For marketing managers, the intelligent marketing automation platform can revolutionize how they execute their marketing strategies. It automates repetitive tasks such as email campaigns and lead nurturing while providing valuable insights into customer behavior and preference. This can significantly improve their marketing efficiency and customer engagement. Next up, we have SaaS idea number 6, which is remote team collaboration SaaS like agencywork.io, linked down in the description. With the rise of remote work, effective collaboration among distributed teams is very essential. This SaaS platform acts as a centralized hub for remote teams, providing features like video conferencing, file sharing, task management, and real-time collaboration on documents, which ensures seamless communication and productive teamwork. For remote team leaders, the remote team collaboration SaaS like agencywork.io can be a game changer for their remote workforce. It keeps them connected and facilitates smooth collaboration across different time zones. The ability to access files, have virtual meetings, and work on shared documents in real time can significantly enhance their productivity and team cohesion. Now, let's explore SaaS idea number 7, which is a personal finance tracker SaaS. Managing personal finances can be challenging, but this SaaS platform simplifies the process. It offers budgeting tools, expense categorization, and financial insights, empowering individuals to track and manage their finances effectively, which allows them to make informed decisions and work towards their financial goals. You can use agencywork.io to assist you in this. For users using a personal finance tracker SaaS, it can transform how they manage their money. It helps them track their expenses, set budgets, and provide valuable insights into their spending habits. It's like having a personal financial advisor guiding them towards financial success. Moving on to SaaS idea number 8, which is a virtual classroom SaaS. Online education is rapidly growing, and this SaaS platform caters to the needs of educators and learners. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for virtual classrooms, including live video, lectures, interactive whiteboards, online assignments, and student progress tracking, which enables seamless online learning experiences. For educators, the virtual classroom SaaS can revolutionize their online teaching experience. It offers a wide range of interactive tools that engage with their students, promotes collaboration, and provides them with insights into the progress. It's like having a physical classroom but in a virtual setting. Now let's explore SaaS idea number 9, which is a subscription box management SaaS. Subscription boxes are gaining popularity, but managing operations can be complex. This SaaS platform assists subscription box businesses in managing their operations, including inventory management, order fulfillment, customer billing, and analytics, streamlining the subscription box experience for both businesses and customers. For subscription box business owners, it allows them to focus on curating amazing subscription experiences for their customers. Lastly, let's discuss SaaS idea number 10, which is a HR talent analytics SaaS. Talent management is vital for businesses, and this SaaS platform helps human resource teams make data-driven decisions. It leverages data and analytics and machine learning as well to provide insights into employee performance, retention risk, and skill gap analysis, enabling businesses to optimize their talent management strategies. It's an invaluable tool for maximizing the potential of their workforce. And there you have it, 10 incredible SaaS ideas that have the potential to disrupt industries and unleash your entrepreneurial potential. Remember, these ideas are just the starting point. With your creativity and expertise, you can customize and refine these ideas to build your own successful SaaS business. So go out there, innovate, and make your mark on the world of software as a service. If you want to launch a software as a service, you can partner with my no-code SaaS agency, which is linked down in the description below, and we're going to help you bring your startup idea using no-code tools into reality. So check out the link in the description or go to nocodesaas.agency and we are going to partner together.